Hey there, folks. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're demystifying the world of insurance and taking a closer look at Up Insurance. Whether you're a beginner in the insurance game or just curious about the latest trends, this video is your ticket to clarity. So, let's dive right in. Insurance basics. To kick things off, let's start with the basics. Insurance is a financial safety net that helps individuals and businesses manage risks. It works by spreading the risk across a pool of policyholders. In exchange for regular payments, known as premiums, insurance companies provide coverage for potential losses or damages. Types of insurance. Insurance comes in various flavors, ranging from life insurance that protects your loved ones financially, to auto insurance that covers your vehicle against accidents and theft. There's also health insurance, home insurance, and business insurance tailored to different needs. Understanding Up Insurance. Now, let's focus on Up Insurance. UP stands for Uninsured and Underinsured Motorist Protection. This type of insurance is designed to protect you when you're involved in an accident with a driver who doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough coverage to fully compensate you for your losses. How Up Insurance works. Imagine you're in an accident and the other driver is at fault. But, oops, they don't have insurance to cover the damages. That's where Up Insurance steps in. It can help cover your medical bills, repairs, and other expenses that you typically expect the at-fault driver's insurance to cover. Benefits of Up Insurance. Up Insurance is a smart choice for anyone, because let's face it, accidents happen, and not everyone is as prepared as they should be. Having Up Insurance adds an extra layer of protection and peace of mind, knowing you won't be left high and dry if an uninsured or underinsured driver causes you harm. Who needs Up Insurance? Up Insurance is especially valuable if you live in an area where there are many uninsured or underinsured drivers on the road. It's like having a safety net that ensures you're covered regardless of the other driver's situation. How to get Up Insurance? Getting Up Insurance is usually an option when you purchase auto insurance. It's an add-on, but considering the potential risks, it's often a smart investment. Tips for choosing insurance. When choosing insurance, whether it's Up Insurance or any other type, make sure to compare quotes from different providers. Understand the coverage limits and deductibles. Consider your specific needs and potential risks. And there you have it. Insurance demystified and Up Insurance unveiled. Remember, insurance isn't just a financial decision, it's a way to safeguard your future. Whether you're protecting your car, health, home, or loved ones, understanding your options is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more informative content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in to Techtalk Titans, and until next time, stay insured and stay informed.